Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Gifty Paradise. I am Gifty, the gift to your hair. In this video is something that you need. If you wear lace and are confused about why your glue is never sticking, this video is going to help you 1000%. Okay, so I'm gonna just tell you the tips and tricks to making your glue actually last and why it's not sticking. First thing first, you do your ball cap. I'm going to be using professional lace glue. You can use Ghost Bond, Bold Hold, and any other professional lace glue that is long-term hold. First, I'm going to apply one layer of the glue on the bald cap, just carving out the hairline. Then I'm going to use this tool. I got it from the dollar store. You can use it in the kitchen, but I like it because I don't like to put my fingers on the glue to mix my body chemicals onto the glue. That might mess it up somehow. So I prefer to use a tool, a plastic tool that I can clean off and then use it for another person again. So using the plastic tool, you're going to spread the glue super flat and thin, and spread it downward, spread it side, just to make sure that it becomes super thin sheer so that it dries clear. The tip for having your glue work properly is to make it thin as possible and let it dry clear, fully clear, before you move on to another layer. So we're gonna wash this. It's like a magic show we're doing right now. We're watching this transform in front of your eyes. So I'm going to cover at least 2 inches of spacing. That is from her hairline to her forehead. Don't want to take up too much space because she doesn't have a lot of space from her eyebrows to her temple. So I don't want to take up too much space within that. So right now I'm just letting this glue dry clear. This is what it looks like when it becomes clear. You guys see that? That white thick glue that I put on needs to be clear. Once you put your glue on, don't just put it on and leave it white, then put your lace on or your wig on. No, it needs to be fully clear, and that's the only way possible that is going to stick and last about 2 weeks to a month. You put the glue on, you spread it super thin, and you let it sit by itself until it gets clear. That could be 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Just wash it until it becomes fully clear. Then you proceed to putting your wig on. I will put another layer on. I'm going to do at least 2 more layers of glue. The same thing. Put the glue on, spread it with my tool, and then let it sit until it dries clear again. This is the tip for you for today. How do you properly put the glue on so that your wig does not move? If you follow what I just said, apply the glue, spread it super thin, let it dry clear, your wig is going to stay on for at least a week to 2 weeks to a month, depending on how many layers you use. Okay, y'all? I will see you in my next video. It is Gifty Paradise, the gift to your hair. Bye.